Tired of getting black screen when using the Telegram app on your PC or laptop? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how you can fix the black screen issue in Telegram on your desktop or laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Solution 1. Change graphics backend. To do this, first of all, open the Telegram app. Next, click on the hamburger menu icon from the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on Settings from here. After that, click on Advanced. Now scroll down to the Performance section and click on Angle Graphics Backend. Now select Direct3D 11 from here, and then click on Restart. Now check if the issue is fixed or not. If not, come here again and select Disabled, and restart Telegram, and after that, check if the issue is gone. Solution 2. Enable compatibility options for Telegram. To do this, first end Telegram process from the task manager just like before. Then right-click on the Telegram shortcut from your desktop and select Properties from the context menu. Next, switch to the Compatibility tab. Now check Run this program in compatibility mode for Box and select Windows 8 from here. After that, check Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. Lastly, hit Apply and OK. Now, check if the issue is fixed. So guys, that's how you fix Telegram black screen problem on your PC or laptop. So if you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.